In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive. Whether you're looking to free up some space or just need to clean up your storage, following these steps will make the process quick and straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through these steps one by one. First, begin by logging into your Microsoft account. This is necessary as it grants you access to all your stored files and ensures you're interacting with your own OneDrive account. A quick note, make sure you're connected to a secure network when doing this to protect your personal information. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft homepage. Look for the app launcher, often represented by a grid or a cluster of dots located at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open a menu that shows the various apps associated with your Microsoft account, including OneDrive. Click on the OneDrive app. This will redirect you to the OneDrive interface, providing access to all your files and folders stored in the cloud. At this point, take a moment to navigate around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you've never used it before. Once you're comfortable, click on the My Files section, found conveniently on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a detailed list of all your stored documents. Now, if your goal is to delete a single file, here's what you should do next. Hover over the file you want to remove, and a small checkbox will appear next to it. Click the checkbox to select the file. With the file selected, locate the three dots or the More Options menu above or beside the file name. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down list. From this list, choose Delete. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Hit Yes or OK to proceed, and the file will be moved to the recycle bin, freeing up storage space in your account. For those times when you need to delete multiple files, the process is just as straightforward. Start by clicking on the checkboxes next to each file you wish to delete. Feel free to select as many as you need. Once all your chosen files are selected, head towards the toolbar above the file list. Here, you'll find a Delete button. Click this and once again, confirm your choice when prompted. This action sends the selected files to the recycle bin simultaneously, and just like that, you've successfully deleted files from your OneDrive account. Remember, the files are only sent to the recycle bin initially, so if a mistake is made, there's the opportunity to restore them unless the recycle bin is emptied. This adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring you won't lose important data inadvertently. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.